To change your EBT PIN number, follow these simple steps. First, locate your EBT card and ensure you have it with you, as you will need the card number and other details to complete the process. Next, call the EBT customer service number, which is usually found on the back of your EBT card or on the official website of your state's EBT program. When you call, you will be asked to enter your EBT card number, so have it ready. Once you have entered your card number, follow the automated prompts to select the option to change your PIN. You will then be asked to verify your identity by providing some personal details, such as your name, date of birth, and address. After verifying your identity, you will be prompted to enter a new PIN number. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Avoid using obvious numbers like your birthdate or address, and make sure to use a combination of numbers that is unique to you. Once you have entered your new PIN, you will be asked to confirm it by re-entering the same numbers. This is a security measure to ensure that you have entered your PIN correctly. After confirming your new PIN, your EBT card will be updated with the new PIN number. You can then use your new PIN to access your EBT account and make purchases. It is also possible to change your EBT PIN number online through the official website of your state's EBT program. To do this, log into your account using your EBT card number and current PIN. Then navigate to the Settings or Account Management section, where you can select the option to change your PIN. Finally, remember to keep your new PIN number safe and secure, and do not share it with anyone. If you have any issues or concerns about changing your EBT PIN number, you can contact your state's EBT program customer service for assistance.